Hello guys, let's talk about responsive web design. So in this video, I'm going to give you an example of a responsive web page. Okay, so we're going to use some text, some images, and all of that. All right, so let's do that. So the first thing, I'm going to write my HTML code. Okay, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add some text first. Okay, so the text I want my text to be responsive. So in here in the body, I will say H2, and that will be welcome to HTML tutorial, and then H2 like this. So I would want my H2 here to be responsive. So what I'm going to do, I'll come in the head here, and then I'm going to style that particular element h2. So I'll say h2 like this, and font size is going to be equal to 10 VW. So VW here stands for viewport width. Okay, so it's going to decrease based on that. So if I decrease that to 5 VW, okay, that's how it's going to show. And then it will decrease. Okay, maybe I increase to 8 like this. All right. What else I can do? I can give it a background color. Background color is this. I want it to be black. And then the color to be white. Color of the text to be white. And then maybe the pattern to be equal to 20 pixels. Text align, center. Yeah, so now this is how it's going to show on the screen. So this is, you know, the text. We can also add a responsive image. So img source like this. Let me add the alternative text like this. And then I'll simply come here and copy the address of this particular image. And I will paste the image like this. Yes, so now you can see I want the image to be responsive as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use img like this and say that its width. No, so I would say max width, okay? Because that's what is recommended. So max width is going to be equals to 100%. Yeah, so now as you can see, max width is 100%. So when I decrease, you can see the image. Yes, so now that's it. What else I'm going to do? So I have my image. I can add some div. Okay. So what we will do is that we will add some div and we will give it the class of of left section like this. Close the div. Inside, we can have a paragraph. We're going to say left section, paragraph closed. Yes, so that's for the left section. I'm going to add these two here. So this one will be the class main section. I'm going to call it main section here. And this will be right section. And I'm going to call it right section like this. So what are we going to do is that we are going to use media query for this section so that when we decrease the size of the window, these sections are going to display vertically. They are going to stack one section upon the other, but vertically. But if we enlarge the size of the screen, the sections are going to show vertically. Okay, so that's basically what we're going to do. But we will do that by using, how do you call it? By using media query. So now let's write the CSS. All right, so the first CSS we will write will be for the left side. So we will say that left underscore section like this. So this will need some background color. Okay, if you have a specific code for the color here, you can put that. Okay, this can be the color for our section. Pardon. Oh, there's a typo for background here. So ground is written like this. Yes, padding will be 20 pixels as well. And we can add float. We want it to float left and then width to be equal to 20%. Yes. So we are going to do the same for the main section. So we say main like this. So we can change the background color like this. Okay, so if you do it like this, padding 20 pixels, float left. As for the width, 60%. Let's come to the right section class here. All right, so the background image is going to be this one. The color, padding 20 pixels, float left, and then the width will be 20% as well. So now you will see if we increase, okay, now this is how it's going to show on our screen. What else can we do here? So now we are going to use the media query to work on a display. So we say media screen and inside the brackets max width 80 pixels. And inside, we will write, so that will be left underscore section, comma, that main underscore section, comma, that right underscore section, and the width will be 100%. So if this is done, now you see how this will show on the screen. So that's how we'll have elements showing on the screen. Okay, this is not. Yes, I have to add some CSS here. I'm going to say for all, like this, for all elements in the body. I'll say box sizing. We say border box, like this. So now you can see how this will show on the screen. Yes, okay. What else can I do? Like if I reduce like this, now you see how this will show on the screen. Maybe on my H2 here, I can say that margin bottom is 0. If I do that, bottom here is M at the end. Yes, so margin bottom. If I say margin bottom for the image as well is equal to 0. Okay. Yes, so this is how it's going to show on the screen. And for the image, I can say height. Yes, and now if you reduce the height, you see how this will show. Here 500, it will still show like this. 400, 200. Yes. What if we said height auto? Yes, so it will show like this on the screen. And as I was saying, so if we increase the size of the screen, this is how our website or web page will show. If we reduce like this, and one thing you can note is that you can also change image, right? So maybe if we choose like a simple image like this one, all we have to do is to come here in the image source and change it. And this will display this particular image. So now you can see a different image. What if we said body margin top 0? or if margin is 0 here. Yes, so now you see how this will show. So we will have something like this. Okay, if you decrease, there you have it. So guys, so that's how you can actually play with responsive text, responsive images, your sections by using media query, for your various sections or parts of your web page to adapt or to scale up or down according to the size of the browser window. I hope the video was informative enough. If you still have questions and you want to further the discussion about this particular topic, about this particular example, feel free to reach out. And as for me, let's meet in the next video. And don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Take care.